Hi, I'm Cheyenne. Welcome to this new Rhino tutorial. First, switch to the front view. Use the curve command to draw a curve as shown. Then switch to the perspective view. Apply the revolve command, and revolve the curve around the z-axis from the origin to create a surface. Next, we'll generate a spaceframe pattern and map it onto the surface. Start by using the mesh box command. Set X count, Y count, and Z count to 1, and draw the mesh box. I've set the dimensions of the mesh box to 2 units in the X and Y directions and 1 unit in the Z direction. Hold Ctrl and Shift, select the bottom face of the box, and move it by half its width in both the X and Y directions. In spaceframe structures, all members are arranged to form triangular patterns. To achieve this, we need to divide the cube faces into triangles. Select the cube and use the triangulate mesh command. As you can see, a diagonal is created on each face, dividing it into 2 triangles. Now, use the array linear command to copy the mesh box in the direction shown in the video. I created 40 copies. Then select all the cubes, and again, use array linear to copy them in the other direction shown in the video. This time, I created 40 copies as well. Once done, select all the cubes. Choose the axis shown in the video, and use the rotate command to rotate the cubes so they align horizontally. Next, use the rectangle command to draw a rectangle. It's crucial to draw the rectangle accurately, as it defines the overall seamless pattern of the spaceframe. Start the rectangle at the bottom left corner of the cube and the lower left corner of the grid. Place the opposite corner of the rectangle on the matching position on the bottom right corner of the lowest cube in the rightmost column of the pattern. Hold Ctrl and Shift, select the top edge of the rectangle, and move it upward to align it with the top edge of the cube grid. Now, select all the cubes and use the extract wireframe command to generate lines from the edges of all the cubes. Deselect everything, then use Cell Mesh to select all the cubes, and delete them, leaving only the wireframe. Select all the lines except the ones that belong to the rectangle, and use the Explode command to separate them into individual segments. Since the cubes were aligned, there will be overlapping lines. Use the CellDup command to identify and delete duplicate lines. Apply the Trim command. Select the rectangle as the cutting object, press Enter, and then trim all the lines extending outside the rectangle. delete any remaining lines outside the boundary. Move the rectangle to the lowest part of the space frame structure. Use the planar surface command to turn the rectangle into a surface, and delete the rectangle itself. Now, draw a vertical line at the base of the structure to represent a column. Use the array linear command to copy this line to corresponding points throughout the structure. Next, use the flow along surface command. First, select the entire space frame structure and press enter. Then, select the planar surface as the base surface, and the curved surface as the target surface. You'll see the space frame structure reshaped to follow the curved surface. Delete any extra objects. If you look closely at the lines, you'll notice they are slightly curved. However, space frame members are meant to be straight. To correct this, select all the lines and use the rebuild command. In the pop-up window, set the point count to 2 and the degree to 1, then click OK. Now all the lines are perfectly straight. Finally, select all the lines and use the pipe command to turn them into pipes. I hope you found this tutorial helpful.